So guys, what we're going to do, we are going to press the volume up, the volume down, then you're going to press and hold the side button, which is the power button. You want to keep holding, and when you see the Apple logo, guys, you release all the buttons. You release your hand from the power button, which is this button here. And that's how we do a force restart. And we're just going to plug in our lightning cable. So if this happens to you where you're hitting the power button and it's not coming on, you want to connect your lightning cable. So you plug in your lightning cable, volume up, volume down, then the power. And when you see the Apple logo, you release. Sometimes it takes a while for the phone to turn on. So as you can see, the phone is now turning on. Your non-responsive screen should be fixed, should be reset. And also if it is a black screen, you should be able to see the Apple logo. So guys, my name is Lenz. I hope that this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.